Alright, so I'm going to be flying the W01 with the jumper T-Lite with the multi-protocol module, and I'll put up here on the screen which protocol and sub-protocol it is. Pretty easy to set up. It looks like the gyro is working as well. Let's see how it flies. That's hands off right there. Not a lot of wind right now, but a little bit of wind. It's about half throttle here, just kind of cruising. If you missed the first video, this is just rudder and elevator only with the gyro stabilizer, no ailerons. Very smooth flyer. Much better to use the jumper than the stock controller. Stock controller is very, let's just say the controls are a little less predictable. Oh, it crashed. So flying this low to the ground is pretty tough. You're gonna need a lot of back elevator on the turns. Oh yeah, also I'm using a 600 milliamp hour battery, which I think got pushed back in the crash, so you can see that's flying kind of weird now because I think it's tail heavy. So let me fix that. So far this has been holding up pretty well on all the little crashes, but I've got this battery in here and it's a little loose. So it's gonna, I think I need to like wedge it in there with some foam or something so it doesn't slide around, because you need the CG more forward on this plane. Otherwise it gets tail heavy and acts very strangely. Alright, that's better. Need more power on those turns too. Power and back elevator. Oh, the wind's shifted now, it's coming the other direction. Now it's coming from behind me. Which means I can bring it in. Oh, come on. So, oh, now it's really getting windy. So now it's kind of floating like that. Go downwards much faster. Wind's shifting all over the place right now. It's coming to my side now. This thing's getting kind of blown around. It's pretty light. Alright, I think the wind is getting a little bit too much for this right now. I'm gonna probably land soon. I'm sure I can fly way longer. It's got a much bigger battery in it now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There's that wind. Look at that wind doing this thing. It's gonna stall it. Now it's coming from that direction. Whoa. It's going nuts. Alright, see if I can bring it in for a landing here. Alright, let me know what you guys think in the comments.